paper was quite easy, but it was too lengthy also.
मैंने जब पेपर स्टार्ट किया तो शुरू में मुझे थोड़ा सा हार्ड सा लगा कि शायद नहीं हो पाएगा पूरा पेपर, लेकिन मैंने फिर धीरे धीरे थोड़ा सा स्टार्ट करने के बाद फिर मुझे थोड़ा थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस आता गया और फिर मैं उसे करती गई।
The paper was nice, means tougher than previous years. The pattern was also changed. Like previously it was of 180 marks, now it is of 264. So we were surprised and
Exam was nice. Maths was lengthy.
Maximum questions were asked, as there were from every chapter there was a single question, and there was question, I think for maths, functions is the chapter from where the questions were asked there.
And my paper was average only. I was sitting there for 1 hour.
मुझे थोड़ा लेंथी लगा और
Section 1 was easy because there was no negative marking. Plus numerical based is still okay, and section 2 was little bit tough because the negative marking was too much, and the section 4 was also a little bit tough.
Also the pattern was also changed. Now it has 500 something marks also. The paper is of 246 or something. Negative marks was also there.
It wasn't very tough though. The marking scheme was very weird. You get +2, you get -2 for a negative. That was never in a JEE paper before. And there was no single correct as there have been in the past 2 years. And there were more of multi-correct and integer type questions.
पिछली साल मतलब पहले जो होता है उसमें क्या होता था कि जो मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस होते थे जिनमें एक से ज़्यादा करेक्ट आंसर होते हैं तो उनमें नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं होती थी, लेकिन अब की बार नेगेटिव मार्किंग है उनमें -2 और 1-2 चेंजेस और आए।
And the marking was very tough, like it was +4 and -2. So we couldn't mark if we were not very sure. And -2 negative marking is just too much.
About the paper, I would say my strongest subject is physics, so I found it easy. Chemistry, there was a lot of organic in paper 2. And as far as maths is concerned, it was mostly calculus.
Little bit tough. The marking scheme was not very good this time because mostly they are giving what you can say मतलब सिंगल ऑप्शन करेक्ट होता है ना तो उसमें नेगेटिव आगे रखते हैं, तो इस बार सब में मतलब जैसे मल्टीपल करेक्ट में भी नेगेटिव रखा है।
Basically, my thought on this is that they changed the paper pattern a little bit. What they've done is for multiple choice questions in which we have like more than one answers correct, they've given the negative marking, but for others they haven't. This is bad from the students' perspective, but if you think about it from their perspective, it's actually quite good. Because what happens now is that guessing goes out of the window. Matlab you can't guess. Earlier it was like out of the 4 options, one of them will be correct. So even if you guess it, so that'll be like you have a 25% shot of getting it right. But now you don't. Now it's like 5% or 2%, who knows. So like unless you know the complete thing in and out 100%, that's the only way that you can actually score in this. So yeah, that's what.
Physics was the most difficult section. And chemistry was a bit easier. Chemistry I
in
could
both
solve
paper 1 and 2,
some
chemistry was the one which was like, we solved most
questions.
number
It
of
was doable.
questions.
Yeah, chemistry was doable.
डिफरेंस सिर्फ यही था कि पेपर 1 में मैच द कॉलम था, पेपर 2 में पैराग्राफ था, बाकी मार्किंग पैटर्न पूरा सेम था।
This time they totally changed the pattern. They gave -2 section 2 and section 3. Gave minus marking as -2 if the question got wrong. So I guess section 2 and section 3 were most difficult because of minus marking.
The marking was different from very different from last year. Actually, the last year the 2 papers were worth 180 and 180 marks. This time, paper 1 was worth 264 marks and paper 2 was worth 240 marks. So, also there was a change in the pattern. There were
8 integer type questions this time, and there was no negative marking in integer type questions this time.